Irig. Have you ever wondered what this bad boy does? Wow. Stay tuned on this video. Without further ado, welcome to Richard's Base. My name is Richard Samuel, and on this video, I'll be giving you the whole breakdown review on what the Irig does, how to use the Irig, where and when to use the Irig. Anything. People just drop your questions on the comment section. We'll answer it all. This is how the Irig looks. This is the packet. This is a very good shot on how the Irig looks. Now, the Irig is normally used for guitar amplification. That is, you can use the Irig to record from your phone to your guitar. But do you know that you can use the Irig for something else? Now that's where I come in. So this is how the Irig looks on the packet. What's this? This is the 3.5 mm get jack. And this is a big jack slot. This is how the Irig looks. This is a feedback input. This is the main input from the output. Then this is its whole full menu. Get me? So if you're getting this on our website or on our store, you see our link in the description below. But that's about that. First of all, using an Irig to record directly from the mixer, some things are involved. And let's start from there. This is how the Irig works literally. Now imagine you want to record, let's say, an audio directly from the mixer to your phone. You want that amplified without using a sound card. You can use an Irig. Now this is where it comes in. This is my phone, and I want to use this phone to go live on Facebook, or I want to use this phone to do, like live recording of our show, our concert, our program, whatever. Now what I have to do is I place the phone beside my mixer. This is my Irig. I get a jack. This is a jack to jack. That is TRS to TRS. Now this TRS to TRS is what I'm going to insert into my output. Look at it here. This is my main output. Now my main output, I'm going to insert it into any of them. But in case you have a TRS, you can use the RCA. That's the AV connection here. Use the jack to jack or the RCA, whichever one favors you. But this is the TRS. Now the jack goes into the output left, and this goes into your Irig. Now, funny enough, it's a very, very simple sound card or simple amplified this thing. But it's a very, very simple sound card and a very, very simple amplifier. Now, what I've done with this, you gently take your phone. On the phone slot here, you insert this 3.5 mm jack into it, and boom. Then, if you're going live on Facebook, this will help you send all the sound from the mixer directly to the Irig, directly to the phone, and give it that whole amplified sound. So this is a very, very simple way to explain the Irig. I hope you understand, and I hope you love it. Thank you. Feed me any feedback just in case. And one more tip before we go: don't forget to use your feedback. Very, very important. Thank you guys. Without further ado, see you guys on the next video. Thank you.